Years ago, when they were building this zoo, my daughters took up pennies. They had a television guy, Buckskin Bill was his name, his nickname, and he loved zoos. So he was on TV, a celebrity, and he started telling the kids, collect your pennies, and we're going to buy an elephant, we're going to name the elephant Penny. Well, Penny resided here until the day she died. And I look at my girls, they went on TV with their little jug full of pennies, the girls' crowds, the brownies, and school kids. It was quite a show. Ooh, there's birds everywhere. It might be because we're inside a bird cage. But they on the ground, in the trees. Great grandkids are scared them to death, gonna give them a doggone heart attack. There's a couple of them over here hiding under the bush. Yep, they sitting up there in a tree, just sitting there looking at them. We're in the bird enclosure at the zoo. Polar things are freezing. It's cold this morning. Over there hiding in the bushes, sneaking around. Ah, that's a nice looking little bird there. There they are, waddling around. There's the old mama duck feeding. Here come the babies over here in the grass waddling around. They're coming.